Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well. So for today's episode, we're not really unboxing, but presenting because we need to keep this in the package. But this educational toy, which is more towards a resource, is something that you carry out as an activity, and once the students put it together, you can hang it on the wall or stick it on the wall, and you can use it as a resource later on in your classroom. So this toy is called the Human Body, What Am I Like? And it's a puzzle piece set. So there are different sets of puzzles inside that students can construct. So I guess they have a picture here. Yeah, so they construct it. It comes the bone structure, the body parts, girl, boy, naked, or wearing clothes. And the whole idea behind this toy is to teach children different vocabs for the body parts, bone structures, body parts, how their body looks like, how they look like when they're wearing clothes. All of these are different terminologies you can teach the kids. And as well, there's a certain logic to construct a puzzle piece. So that's another benefit of having this toy. And finally, there's a certain idea which is quite important, more abstract, which is allowing kids to accept their bodies. So this is how they look like, this is how they are, and it's normal, it's fine. So that's pretty much the whole idea of this toy. It's a resource, I would say, more towards that. And children can come together and construct this puzzle piece, and then you can hang it on the wall, and you can teach them the terminologies over and over again. Another thing is that it's for 3 to 6 years old, and it's inclusive for special needs as well. And if you need more instructions as well, all of this, they come included. You can download them. So all of these are found. If anyone needs any help when it comes to educational toys, or they're looking for advice, please be sure to contact us through email or give us a call, and we're more than happy to help. So hope you guys have an amazing day, and till next time, bye.